Whoa, what is that? What is that? Okay, my bad, bro. What is that? Just you back for the bread. Alright, look, y'all. First, before we start this video, look, so I need a new chair. As y'all can see, I got something for y'all right here, but I need a new chair. This just fell off. I literally tried to pull my chair back to start the video, and that happened. So, we got that problem. But, quick text. Alright. Y'all probably want to know what's in this box. This is like a real unboxing, because this is like slay. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. I'm a hype beast, but I want to hear something. Goosebumps. I feel like that's a lie, bro. I don't know what my last video is, but this is the unboxing tour right here. We're gonna have a lot more unboxings on the channel. First of all, yo, I'm excited, bro. What if I can't fit them, yo? Y'all don't even know what these are. I think last video was my camera lens video, so I can't think. My camera lens video, I think I said I was gonna be getting another camera, but I'm not camera, another lens, which I am in the future. It is it, guys. It is. Let me show y'all something real quick. Whatever. First of all, yo, these are wild, bro. These are wild, dude. I'm excited, bro. They look kind of big, huh? Nah, not really. These are dope. These are dope, bruh. Yo, I'm low-key. Let me try them on, bro. Took my shoes off. Quick. Oh, they fit perfect. Hey. Y'all want to see it on foot, yo? Am I a sneaker YouTuber? Am I a sneaker YouTuber, bro? Chill out. These are dope, yo. I was thinking, like, after I got them, I was like, do I want the black shell? I haven't had Converse in a minute, you guys. So, I know this is kind of a random video and stuff, but yo, chill out, son. Chill out, man. Goosebumps, I'm tired of you. Gotta play a different song. Yo, that's sick. They're like bone white. I don't know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I mean. I don't want to say off-white, but it's like a shell type color. Yo. So tell me what you guys think about this. Like, I might do it on foot right after this. If like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about these. 1 out of 10. Should I have got black? I'm thinking I should have, but these are dope, yo. I got the fit. I got the fit already. Wait, my foot was in this one. Yo, chill. Alright, so like I said, just I'm back with a brand new video. I'm gonna be more consistent. I want to do unboxings. My energy is low right now, but hey, yo. Fire. Let me know what y'all want to see on the channel. I'm out. Oh wait, is she?